everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Hey William, I got a quick tip for us. I ordered a herb grinder off of the internet and I wanted to give it a try today. So here's the unboxing. Looks like it just comes in two different pieces in a crushed up box. Thank you to the post office. And just like a grinder, you get a push stick, and then you get this with some really neat, sharp looking blades in a pinwheel fashion. And I read the directions on this. There wasn't much to it. Now, if I had some dried cilantro or dill or something, we could try that. But I find when I'm using these chopped chives, I normally put them in my hand and rub them together like, you know, other cooks and chefs talk about, but you end up with them all over the place. So I'm wondering, if you use this grinder like this, does it come out neater? Let's take a look and let's find out. So, you put it in here like this. Wow, it really does. It grinds. That's interesting. I think it'll probably work better with bigger things, you know, any other stalks of...
That's pretty neat.
Isn't that cool? Okay, here, this is Mexican basil. This is from my good friend David. He taught me that oregano that you buy in the United States is basically Mexican basil. So they can call it whatever they want, but it's Mexican basil. Grows in Mexico. So I use this in my instant mashed potatoes. You know, what I like about this is there's no battery. I mean, there's really not much to this.
That turned out really well.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to break. You know, I think this is going to be something we can use in the kitchen for years to come. So that's our quick tip for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.